Arrive in style with this 2014 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 Lieutenant. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Enjoy these notable features: rear chrome bumper, overhead airbag, variably intermittent wipers, front reading lights, leather-wrapped steering wheel with cruise controls, driver and front passenger illuminated vanity mirrors, 3.23 rear axle ratio, and tilt steering wheel. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.